Eleko has just become the newest construction hotspot on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. After the near completion of the very first flyover and underpass in Section 1, we are now witnessing the birth of another massive flyover project here at Eleko. This new flyover is not just an addition, it's the critical connection point that will link Section 1 to Section 2 of the Coastal Highway. Alongside it, the Eleko Beach Road rehabilitation and expansion is also ongoing, and the road is also to have its bridge expanded. Today, we'll break down what's happening on site, the progress so far, and why Eleko is about to become one of the most important junctions on this entire 700-kilometer project. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is one of the most ambitious road projects in Nigeria's history. Stretching over 700 kilometers, it passes through 9 states, linking Lagos all the way to Calabar. Section 1 from Victoria Island to Eleko is currently the most advanced, with shoreline protection, slope stabilization, and even the first flyover and underpass nearly completed. But now, Eleko Inside Junction becomes the pivot, the place where Section 1 connects with Section 2, heading towards Lekki Seaport, Dangote Refinery, Lekki Free Trade Zone, and eventually towards Ogun State and beyond. Construction at the Eleko flyover has officially started, but before we proceed with the current state of construction, let's take a look at how this axis was before the construction started. This is the present state of the site, and we can see the early signs of construction of the flyover. Excavation for piling is ongoing. Piling rings are stationed on site, and steel piling rings are lined up, ready for installation. If you look closely, you can already see some piles at the foundation beginning to take shape. Visible proof that this isn't just talk, but real progress. This flyover will rise above the busy Eleko Inside Junction, allowing through traffic on the coastal highway to move without interruption, while local traffic use service roads below. It's a smart design that eliminates bottlenecks and prepares this highway for long distance flow. Based on current space and what we saw with the first flyover in section 1, the Eleko flyover could see major structural components like piers and beams emerge within the next 3 to 5 months. That puts a realistic target for visible completion somewhere between 2026, depending on speed and weather conditions. Alongside the flyover, Eleko Beach Road and the Free Trade Zone roads are currently being expanded and upgraded due to high volume of trucks and vehicles that now ply the road as a result of the seaports, refinery, and also the Free Trade Zone. The upgrade of the Eleko Beach Road includes full rehabilitation and expansion of the road, which is presently ongoing as the road is now being constructed with rigid pavements. Also, this road serves as a link between the Lekki-Epe Expressway to the Lekki Free Trade Zone road. Expansion of the existing bridge set to begin soon to handle the increasing traffic, as this axis is now a major logistics and tourism route. This road is crucial because for now it serves as the main access road to the industrial hubs in this axis: the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Lekki Free Trade Zone, and the Dangote Refinery. At the same time, it remains the only access to the beaches, resorts, and coastal communities in this area. This road also serves as a link between the Lekki-Epe Expressway and the newly commissioned Deep Sea Port Road, which is now a major logistics corridor. Once completed, it will not only support tourism and industries here, but also provide a modern corridor that links seamlessly into the coastal highway and also connects the Lekki Seaport Road. Eleko is more than just a road junction. It's a blend of tourism, community, and industry. On one side, these constructions will help open up Eleko to thousands of visitors who will likely flock here every weekend for beaches, resorts, and cultural experiences. On the other hand, industries rely heavily on the Eleko corridor for logistics, moving goods from the seaports, refinery, and free trade zone. With the flyover and road expansion, industries will enjoy better logistics, tourists will have easier and safer access, communities will see more opportunities open up around them. As with every major project, challenges are unavoidable. Diversions and heavy traffic are already affecting commuters. Businesses close to the roundabout are experiencing temporary disruptions. Yet, there is optimism. The pace of work on shoreline protection, slope stabilization, and the first flyover in Section 1 shows a commitment to fast delivery. And now, with piles already visible on sites at Eleko, progress is undeniable. If this momentum is maintained, both the flyover and the road expansion could be completed by mid or late 2026. When completed, the Eleko flyover will stand as one of the most strategic on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. It will connect Section 1 and Section 2 seamlessly, support industries and tourism through the Eleko Beach Road and the Deep Sea Port Road upgrade, and prepare the highway for its onward journey into Ogun State and beyond. If timelines are met, by the end of 2026, Eleko could look completely different from what we see today. So the transformation of Eleko has just begun, with piling rings on site, excavation on the way, and piles already visible. The future for this junction is taking shape before our very eyes. The big question is, will the pace continue, and will the flyover be ready by 2026 to fully link Section 1 and Section 2 of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway? As always, I'll keep you updated with more visuals, drone shots, and in-depth analysis. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coverage on Nigeria's biggest infrastructural projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.